In this video you will discover how to detox your body, and what are the best treatments and supplements. These tips will serve you all your life. So please stay to the end of this video. It's worth it. Detox your body and build your immune system with diet, herbs, and supplements. Detoxing is a natural process your body goes through that gets rid of debris known as toxins. Under normal conditions, our bodies are designed to eliminate these toxins through the liver, kidneys, lymphatic system, and skin. There are many reasons why detoxing is so important in this day and age. There is a problem with our chemical environment due to pollutants in our air and water supply. Plus the majority of our food is grown with pesticides in an effort to reduce insect and bacterial infestation in order to produce a higher yield. One only needs to go down any grocery aisle and read labels to realize just how many dyes and preservatives we eat on a daily basis. If you take a step back in time, even only 30 to 40 years, you would realize how different we ate back then. If you didn't grow your own organic food, you would probably have gone to your butcher on a daily basis and purchased fresh hormone-free meat, and then would have gone to the market to purchase fresh organic produce. The word organic was probably not something you would have associated with food back then. The very air we breathe constantly is somewhat polluted. We drink high fructose drinks, lots of canned goods, and an incredible amount of sodium. Not saying to eat this way because we all like to indulge now and again, but if you eat a normal American diet high in salt, sugar, and preservatives and canned goods, then you may be doing a disservice to yourself because you may feel full but be severely lacking in nutrients. There are various things you can do to undo toxicity. Liver and kidney cleansers are great, but if you are not inclined to do these, then there are other solutions such as taking a hot bath for a half hour or sweat out toxins in a sauna. If you do, then make sure you have eaten well and drink as many as 8 glasses of water so your blood sugar does not drop and that you stay well hydrated. Not only do you lose toxins this way, but you also lose water, salt, and potassium that can make you feel lightheaded. There are some great herbal teas that you can drink on a regular basis that also gently cleanse the body, hydrates you, has antioxidant properties, and help flush out toxins. It is a warm and refreshing way to relax and do the body good. Juicing fruits and vegetables is a fantastic way of getting more nutrients in the body because you are maintaining the integrity of the nutrients. If you are putting vegetables in a pot to boil, then you will have a nutrient loss. This is called bleaching, and all the goodness goes into the water. If you overcook food and then throw out the water, then your nutrients just went down the drain and you are ingesting the remaining bleached husk. Raw or juiced is the way to go. Because we have nutrient-deficient soil, it is advisable to take supplements that bolster your immune system such as Q10, vitamins A, D, E, C, and B vitamins. Trace minerals and electrolytes are necessary to keep our systems in shape. Avoid sports drinks that are high in sugar, but instead get good quality electrolytes from a health food store. If nothing else, then at least get a good multivitamin to take every day. Some herbs that are great for detoxifying and building the immune system are garlic, ginger, alfalfa, and chlorella. Garlic especially is a useful herb not only for detoxing, but it helps to lower blood pressure, aids in circulation, protects against inflammation, and assists in almost all major organs like the heart, lungs, and kidneys. It is one of nature's perfect foods. Chlorella is an edible green alga that also has just about everything you need, such as protein, vitamins E, C, and all the B vitamins, especially B12, beta-carotene, and trace minerals. It is an excellent blood cleanser and whole food. It doesn't get much better than that. Most health food stores will carry all of these herbs. Refined white sugar. A lot has been written about the detrimental effects of refined white sugar on the body. It is really very bad for you. Inform yourself because a lot of products contain a lot of refined white sugar. Cola, for instance, but also ketchup contains a lot. Try to cut down on it by using brown sugars, like cane sugar. Sugar has a stimulating effect. If you consume a product full of sugar, you get a kick out of it. That's why products that contain a lot of sugar are so attractive. One form of the detoxification diet is one made up exclusively of fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, either raw or cooked, and whole grains, both cooked and sprouted. However, no bread or baked goods, animal foods and dairy products or alcohol are used. This diet keeps fiber and water intake up and helps colon detoxification. Most people can handle this well and make the shift from their regular diet with a few days transition. The lymphatic system is used to bring nourishment to cells and to remove wastes. The lymph nodes, located in the lymph vessels, break down toxins. The breakdown of toxins is especially important during infections and other acute illnesses. Deep breathing and movement help keep the lymph moving through the lymph vessels. Recipes for detox diet clean out your body. Detoxification is not just for the movie stars who abuse painkillers anymore. New evidence has shown that just about everyone needs detox, not for drug use, but to clean out the colon, blood system, liver, and other organs that have been building up potentially toxic amounts of unhealthy matter over the years. Lots of people are jumping on the detox diet bandwagon, and for good reason, too. With all the preservatives, hormones, air pollutants, pesticides, and even fat, think fast food, that get into our bodies every day, it just makes sense to clean the temple from time to time. You wouldn't go without cleaning the house for very long, and you shouldn't go very long without cleaning out the body, either. Here are 3 delicious recipes for detox diets. Give them a try if you want to help cleanse your system and/or lose some weight. 1. Veggie broth. A head of fresh broccoli, a cup of fresh spinach, leaves of a celery, a pot full of distilled water. Simply cut up the vegetables into very small pieces. Put them in the pot of water, cover, and bring them to a full boil. Then, reduce the heat to a simmer and let all those nutrients seep out of those vegetables into the water. After about 30 minutes, drain the mixture. Discard the vegetables, and drink the broth. Yummy and a good colon cleanser. 2. Tomato-based hearty detox soup. A pot of purified water, a head of green cabbage, 2 medium green bell peppers or 1 large and 1 small, an onion, 3 stalks of celery, 3 carrots, 1/3 to 1/2 of a pound of fresh or frozen green beans, 1 or 2 cans of diced tomatoes or tomato sauce. Slice the cabbage into strips. Chop the peppers into bite-size pieces or smaller if you prefer. Cut up the onion, celery, and carrots into pieces of the same size. Prepare the green beans. Just throw all the vegetables into the pot of water, cover, and bring to a boil. Then, lower the heat and allow the soup to simmer for several hours. 3. Lemon and citrus tea detox recipes. Lemon is quickly becoming a popular detox ingredient, probably because of its high citric acid content, vitamin C density, and abundance of bioflavonoids. Besides all these benefits, there is something that is generally pleasing about the lemon, don't you think? Lemon furniture polish still brings back childhood memories of helping home dust the living room furniture. It gets no better than that. A glass of grapefruit juice, the juice of 1 large lemon, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons of flaxseed oil, optional, a clove of crushed garlic. Split the juices to half a glass of grapefruit and half glass of orange. Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder from the nutrition store. Simply combine the above ingredients in your blender and drink. Try to drink it on an empty stomach, perhaps the first thing in the morning, and be prepared to be cleaned out. Recipes for detox diets are a sure and fast way to help clean your digestive system out as a whole. However, it is important for you to follow the directions carefully and only use it for the length of time that is appropriate. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. If you liked this video, share the love and give it a thumbs up.